Waterjet CNC uses a pump. The Techni system has a quantum servo pump. It's the most advanced quantum system or servo pump system in the market. Waterjet CNC cutting is the most advanced and unique and modern way of manufacturing porcelain benchtops, or in the matter of any surface benchtop. Could be marble, granite, engineered stone. What we use is a Techni CNC Waterjet. Techni is a Campbellfield, an Australian-owned company that's combined their knowledge and their experience with a company called GMM. They are the world's leading waterjet and CNC and stone manufacturing machinery in the world. So what we've got here is a porcelain tile cutter slab. It's called our Damar. So it's calibrating the height and the width of the slab, and we'll soon start cutting. So what we've got is a LT55 laser template here, and we can see all the individual pieces that's required for this job. The cutout, we've even got the tap cutout there, or I should say the filtered water cutout. And you can see the off squares on the wall. So that's off our laser templating work, and this is the kitchen here. So there's a nice waterfall going in, and that's our laser LT55 in the 3D. These beautiful tiles are being kept by the client, and that's why we've scribed the walls, and it's cutting to every single tile. So that's the software of the laser. I think it's modified slightly for a slab optimization on this system here, and then we basically hit a button and let's watch it cut. So waterjet manufacturing, laser templating gives us the ability to really do anything we want. You can have the most off-square walls, you could have the most unique tiles, you could have the strangest design on a benchtop. Once we start templating, creating that digital template, and we can template literally anything, our waterjet machine really backs us up with our words in giving you the confidence in us being able to produce, measure, manufacture and install to any shape and to any kind of benchtop. And look, we learn new things every day. I've been doing this for a very long time. Again, I can come across situations that I really haven't seen before, but the improvising part of what I do and being able to measure to any shape, to any form, and having the backup of this machine to be able to produce without a single blade on the entire job really gives me the confidence in backing my word to give you the confidence that you're in good hands.